दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं। Doors are closing.
Oh, thank you so much. भारत की शान, भारत की जान, वंदे New Jalpaiguri. So, let's get started. It's a cold winter morning, and as the city of Kolkata welcomes the dawn, our Bangali Babu has decided to wake up from his deep sleep to embark on a yet another journey. En routing via the Rabindra Setu and witnessing the early morning prayers to the holy river Ganges, the car has finally reached Howrah station. Good morning, friends. We are at the Howrah station and we are about to board the Vande Bharat Express from Howrah platform number 11. And this is a premium quality train, and let's have a good journey together. So let Quick glance at the facilities. Automatic footrest and a clip hanger. And it's a bacteria-free AC with covers technology. And this is a folding table for keeping the food and having sumptuous lunch, breakfast. And then these are the sliding doors, automatic. And as we move to various coaches, these are the two executive coaches having 52 number of seats. And these are the chair cars, 14 in number. And this is the modern toilets, washrooms, having vacuum bio toilets, automatic and hand sanitizers. And these revolving chairs, rotating chairs, are there in the executive class only. So our morning breakfast has been served and I had ordered a non-veg breakfast.
ভারতীয় রেল বোলপুর শান্তিনিকেতন স্টেশন থেকে ওঠা সমস্ত যাত্রীদের স্বাগত জানাচ্ছে।
So while we enjoy the breakfast, let us go through the brief history of Vande Bharat Express. It was in the early winters of 2016 that the project was dreamt of. Then it was targeted to be completed by 2018, hence the name Train 18. And this was the dream work of Sri Sudhanshu Maniji, Sri D.P. Das, Sri S. Mani, Sri S. Srinivas, Sri Shubhanshu, Sri Manish Pradhan, and many other pioneering engineers who had dreamt of this project. And then there were many versions of this train. Currently we are on the Vande Bharat version 2, which is lighter and speeder. And then we will be coming up with the Train 20, the Vande Bharat version 3, having the sleeper coaches. And then of course maybe Vande Bharat version 4, which will be much more faster in India. We have soup before the lunch. Let us have a quick glance at the train's fares. All are dynamic in nature and the train runs all days excepting Wednesday. So while having soup, we are now crossing the Farakka barrage, which is situated in the Murshidabad district of West Bengal. This Farakka barrage took 8 long years to build and was finally opened in 1975. It spreads out over 2,304 meters and has 109 gates and harnesses the water of the river Ganges. It is close to the Bangladesh border, 18 kilometers away. It's almost 10:30 am and we have reached the historical place Malda town station. Malda is an important junction of the Eastern Railway and the North Frontier Railway. Malda is situated between the Gaur Malda and Pandua, and it's very important since the ancient era of 500 BC to the Mughal dynasty to the British Raj.
Indian Railways welcomes all passengers boarding from Malda Town Station.
And this is the picture of the non-vegetarian lunch which I had, and of course an ice cream at the end. Slowly we were approaching towards our destination and we just crossed Barsoi Junction at around 11:50 am. Before I depart, I need to thank this young man for his intense hospitality which he had rendered during my journey. Indian Railways has been an important part of our life, and we must be proud of all the trains and Vande Bharat, of course, for such a wonderful, wonderful train experience.
So, I hope you all guys have enjoyed our travel in Vande Bharat Express today. Before we wind up, one or two short words for all of you. Like, we all are Indian citizens, and Indian Railways is our pride. And I hope that as responsible civilians, we should be honest in buying our railway tickets honestly from the ticket counters whenever we are traveling. And whichever train, whether it's the premium luxury trains like Vande Bharat, Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Duronto, Gatiman, whatever, or even your local passenger trains, it's our responsibility to keep the trains and the premises neat and clean, and respect all the railway personnel and the railway police force for their extreme hard work they are doing every day. So I hope you all will enjoy all the travel journeys with me henceforth. So keeping that in mind, and wish you all a safe travel and happy journey with all me henceforth. So keep watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Work, travel, and spread the positive vibes all around.